the 2006 Nissan Xterra Off-Road. With an automatic transmission, this vehicle is well equipped. This Nissan features privacy glass, alloy wheels, and tilt wheel. Safety features include fog lights and dual front airbags. Comfort and convenience features include a CD player, power windows, and power door locks. Give us a call to schedule your test drive today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.
Just say, "Show me the Carfax" at Hooman Nissan, a Carfax Advantage dealer.